ne ho rena tsitsipano le tshabo fela kamora ketsahalo ena e sutu e leng ya ho kwetelwa ha ngwana kantle ho sekolo.
My daughter saw when the mother dropped the child off, my daughter just saw a big guy coming outside the car with a gun, pointing the gun, then just took the child and put the child inside the car.
Ba lefapha la thuto le bona ba bile teng ba potlakela sekolong, mme barutwana ba boneng ketsahalo ena ba ile ba thojwa maikutlo, le batswadi le bona ba ile ba kgobokana ka ntle ho meaho ya sekolo ho leka ho fumana lesedi la se etsahetseng le ho netefatsa hore bana ba bona ba bolokehile.
We did not give you her name, and we still maintain that we're not going to do that now. You'll understand that the police are investigating this matter. For us as the department is just to confirm that yes, the incident occurred, and we have confirmation from the MEC to say that he's quite concerned.
We didn't have even enough information what exactly happened. When it gets here, the gates were already closed. We're waiting for the school to communicate with us. When are the kids leaving and whatsoever? We have to organize transport time, change the time. It was very terrifying, really, because we're thinking of the safety of our kids.
Ho sa le jwalo ditsebi di re diketsahalo tsa mofuta ona e leng tsa ho kwetelwa ha bana di nyolohile, mme tsona di etsahala dibakeng tse jwalo ka dikolong.
Kidnappings are generally definitely on the rise, although we have various types of kidnappings, but in general it is on the rise, alarmingly so. Not necessarily the season, it's all year round that we see kidnapping incidents being reported. Not being typically a South African crime, it is really over the years grown to become more and more infested in our country.